Hey guys, it is day 3 of 12 days of Christmas makeup, and I already found like the look I want to try to do today. It's kind of simple. This is just from Instagram, but yeah, that's the inspo for today, I guess. So yeah, I'm using a lot of the same stuff as I used before, so it's the palette we're using today. This is the James CharlesxMorphe one. It's like nearly impossible. Now you can see my messy desk. Okay, for mirror. I think that's good enough. So let me just get right into the look. Oh, it does have a mirror on it. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Like, how did I not see that? How did I not? What? I'm so okay. I don't know how I missed that. Okay. Oh gee. And with like that shade right there. Like a, let me look at the picture, has like kind of like a gold shimmery color. So we're gonna go just like pack that in. What color? Maybe like this gold right there. It's cute. The eyeliner I'm using I got from like the dollar store. So hopefully, let's hope I don't mess up eyeliner. Let's hope I don't. Okay. Some eyeliner. I kinda don't like it. But we're gonna try and work with that. You're so mean! I'm trying to do my eyeliner. You made me mess up. It looks horrible on camera though. Like eyeliner, especially with me, it's either hit or miss. Like it's either really good or it's like horrible. So I think I'm gonna leave it. I think that's okay. I mean, I'm like, about it, but let's just do the other eye. look the same. Definitely. Oh, I don't want to start over, but these are so. It's just not it. But I don't know which one I like. I kind of like this one a little better. This is what makes makeup take forever, is the eyeliner. Nothing else takes this long. Just eyeliner. Trying to make it look the same as the other eye. I'm gonna call that good enough, so I'm not doing it a third time. Let me put my glasses on real quick so I can like actually see, as long as it doesn't look. I'm not going anywhere anyway. So I don't think it matters. I mean, it's not. I mean, it's good enough. It's good enough, I guess. Okay, put mascara on. It's not too bad. This could definitely be better, but I just don't know. I'm just not good at eyeliner. They look close, but not close enough for me to accept it. It's either, like, when I do it, it's either it turns out good or it turns out, like, horrible, and I have to fix it a million times, like I'm doing right now. Freaking messy. Oh my god. I've probably corrected this like a million times. This video is gonna be like 1 million hours long. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna call it good because this is gonna take a million years if I don't. So this is fun. Looks better. So I don't know what lip I should do. I'm gonna go grab one. Last I did this in the first video. So yeah. It was a train wreck. Blush, because blush makes everything better. Just the same blush as last time. I'm gonna went crazy with the blush. Doesn't look as crazy on camera, but I clean my glasses. So that is today's like holiday look. It was a bit of a train wreck, but I think it turned out okay at the end. So yeah. Bye.